Hello my friends, it is FPS Russia again, and I've got something very special for you guys today. This, my friends, is a prototype quadrotor. Now it may look like something you've seen before, but believe me, the technology in this baby isn't going to be out there for at least another decade. It doesn't even have a technical name yet, so for now we're just going to call it Charlene. Now, let me show you a few of the features here so you'll understand why I say this is truly a weapon of the future. In the next 10, maybe 15 years, shit is going to get very real. We're talking about some pretty sophisticated warfare, and the soldiers are going to need technology like this to get above the combat, around their enemies, and get into tight spaces. This is why Charlene is unlike anything I've ever seen, and I've seen some crazy shit. Now, most of the quadrotors that you've seen on YouTube are doing some pretty sophisticated maneuvers, and none of those toys is equipped with a submachine gun and a 100-round magazine. Also, Charlene is capable of flying up to 30 miles per hour at altitudes of a quarter-mile high. Oh, and it only takes one professional Russian and this fancy tablet to kill you. This thing in itself is pretty impressive. It's got a lot of cool features. The most impressive thing is you see everything that the quadrotor sees. So the biggest benefit is getting that bird's eye view of what's in front of you. And once you know what's in front of you, maybe you don't want that in front of you anymore. I'm going to send Charlene over the hill, see what we can see. Looks like we've got some lost and confused visitors over there. Let's take a closer look. No, I don't think I recognize any of those guys. Let's take them out. That was awesome! Look at the guy's head rolling down the hill. Let's try something else. So we've seen what Charlene is capable of doing on a recon mission. Now let's try putting her in a situation she's well suited for. Sneaking up on some evil beaches and hard to reach places. It looks like our friends here decided to have a little dinner party, and they didn't even invite us. And one of them brought a whole bucket of gasoline. We'll just have to show these guys a little hospitality, Charlene style. Zombie terrorists know how to have a good time. Well, my friends, it's been a pretty epic day, but I'm not sure we've blown up enough shit quite yet, so lucky for us, this baby is equipped with a self-destruct payload with a 15-foot blast radius. So yes, my friends, as much as it pains me, I'm going to blow this thing up. I want to thank my friend Yuri for letting me borrow his ride. Thanks, buddy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves as much as I did. Looks like the future's going to be fun. But if you can't wait another 15 years, my friends are telling me that this baby might just be in the next Call of Duty game, which would be the shit. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a nice day.